Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 12. Disjoint set. Two or more sets are called disjoint sets if they have no common element. For example, a set A 2, 3, 4 and a set B 5, 6, 7. They have no common element, therefore this set is called disjoint set. And part 4, overlapping sets. Two or more sets are called overlapping sets if they have at least one common element. For example, a set of G 1, 2 and 5 and set of H 2, 3, 4. These sets have at least one common element, therefore these sets are called overlapping set. And common element is 2. Overlapping set. Two is a common element